Welcome to Moiboo, the platform that brings transparency and speed to automotive service. Everything starts with the digital job card. As the vehicle arrives, the service advisor instantly raises a new job card, capturing customer and vehicle data with just a few taps. Crucially, they document the vehicle's condition, taking pictures or videos of any reception defects to ensure complete clarity before any work begins. The system instantly generates a transparent service quotation, pulling labor rates and parts inventory directly from your database. With one tap, the detailed quotation is sent directly to the customer via WhatsApp. No more delays or chasing paperwork. The customer reviews the quote at their convenience electronically, approves the work, and signs digitally, authorizing the job instantly from anywhere. The service advisor then instantly assigns the approved job to the relevant technician on the workshop floor. The mechanic receives the assignment on their mobile app. They clock their time for accurate labor billing and use the camera to attach proof of work photos as tasks are completed. The service advisor gets real-time completion alerts. They perform a final quality check from their panel, ensuring every detail meets the highest standard. Once satisfied, the job card is closed. The customer is immediately notified on WhatsApp that their vehicle is ready, with the final invoice attached. Customers can pay the invoice directly online and conveniently schedule a pickup or even request a drop-off, closing the loop seamlessly. Moiboo. Paperless, profitable, perfect service. Upgrade your workshop today.